it's your girl Ego here again, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be doing a quick DIY head wrap tutorial to show you guys how to make a head wrap. It is simple. You're literally just cutting fabric. I'm going to give you the dimensions that I use, and I think they are the best dimensions to use in cutting your head wrap, so that way you can have a head wrap that you can style in multiple ways, because sometimes when you buy head wraps, they end up being too long or too short. I'm also going to be showing you 5 different ways that I like to tie my head wraps. I tie head wraps a lot. It is something that I do a lot of. It's a very quick to do thing. If you have no idea what to do with your hair, I just put it in a head wrap, and all I have to deal with usually is the front of my hair. Even though these hairstyles can be used generally by everyone, they are very specifically useful for girls who have short hair like me. So it's summer. If you have no idea what to do with your hair, just tie it up, wrap it up, and you're good to go. First, let me say, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get first dibs on all of my YouTube content. If you also didn't know, I own a clothing company called SEO by Ego, and that's where these head wraps are actually from. So if you want to purchase them, I will leave a discount code somewhere here or in the description box to let you know. So just go ahead, ball out, get yourself some nice head wraps. Okay, all right guys, let's get straight into it. Let's make the head wraps and then get into how to tie the head wraps. So to cut your head wrap, first thing you want to do is grab your fabric, whatever fabric you want. For this tutorial, I'm using African print kente like fabric, but it's actually just wax print. So I'm cutting the fabric at a length of 70 inches by a width of 24 inches. Of course, you can choose to make your head wrap longer or wider depending on how you want, but I find that 70 inches by 24 inches are actually pretty adequate measurements if you want to get a head wrap that will give you multiple styles, that won't be too short for certain styles or not cover your hair enough. And then after cutting your head wraps, just hem them in. You can choose to hem them by folding the seams in and just doing a basic sewing stitch, or you can use a zigzag pattern or a serger to serge the ends depending on what kind of materials you have at home, your level of expertise, your skill, whatever. Or you can just leave it like that if you really don't care. So now let's get to the actual head wrap tutorial.